Here, Vishwamitra said to Janak that with the placing of the Varmala, the marriage is already done. Nevertheless, it is only appropriate that we should have a formal ceremony after inviting Dashrath and the people of Ayodhya out here. So Janak said that is an excellent idea. And Vishwamitra, he wrote a note of all that had happened. And Janak sent his doots. So the doots, they took the message by horse speed to Ayodhya. Now out there, Dashrath had been waiting. My dear children, they've gone into the forest. I hope nothing happens to them. Just like the parents, if their child is in the army and he's gone off to Iraq, how do the parents feel? And they get a news, so many soldiers died. Oh, I hope it is not my child. And then the Dashrath was worried day and night, waiting. And the news came. They said, Dashrath Maharaj, we have come from Mithila and we've got a message from Mahamuni Vishwamitra. So he said, all right, read it out. They said, you please read it yourself. And Dashrath, he picked the message. Vishwamitra had written that when we went from the forest, we met out there, first of all, a Rakshasi called Tadaka. So Dashrath said, oh my God, such a terrible thing. But Ram, with one arrow, he slayed Tadaka. Dashrath said, such a wonderful thing. Then after that, we went further into the forest, and there at the hermitage, two Rakshasas, Marich and Subahu, came. Dashrath said, how terrible. But Ram killed them. Dashrath said, such a wonderful thing. And then after that, we continued the Padyatra towards Mithila. Dashrath said, what a terrible thing. But then out there, Ram did the Uddhar of entity that was in the stone yoni. Dashrath said, such a wonderful thing. And then finally he broke the Shiv Dhanush, and his marriage has been finalized with Mithila Pati's wonderful daughter Sita. And you are instructed to come there at the earliest along with the Bharat. And Dashrath was so delighted. He asked the doots, have you seen my child? Is he all right? The Doot said, Maharaj, he is so wonderful. After seeing him, we don't wish to see anything else. The Dashrath immediately gave instructions. He informed Bharat, make the arrangement for the Bharat. And Bharat started doing the arrangements. Everybody was delighted to see the love Bharat had for Ram. Now the tradition in Ayodhya was that for the Bharat, the son's mother would not go. So the three queens, they remained. And a few of the Awadhvasis, just to take care of the basic necessities, they remained. And the others, they started off in the Bharat. So when the Bharat reached Mithila, now Ram greeted first of all his guru Vasisht, and then his father Dashrath. And Dashrath was so delighted, he hugged his child. And Lakshman also, he greeted. And Bharat came and offered his pranam at the feet of Ram. And Lakshman offered his pranam to Bharat, and Shatrughna and Lakshman met. All this festivity was happening. So the Mithilavasis are hoping that as far as possible the marriage should be delayed. They can stay out here. However, the Muhurt was decided. And now the formal wedding of Ram and Sita is going to take place. So Shivji says to Parvati that at that time the Devi Devtas they arrived. Brahmaji also came. And I also reached there. So at the mandap, Ram arrived. And Shatanand, Janak's guru, he said, Janak, wash the feet of your damat. So a golden patra was brought. And Janak washed Ram's feet using the golden vessel. So the Ram Katha mentions Ram's feet being washed 3 times. The first time, Janak is washing them using a golden vessel. The second time, Kevat washes using a kasht patra, wooden vessel, and Ganga Jal. And the third time, Shabri washes. She has got no vessel. She's only using her hands and she's washing Ram's feet with her tears of love. Nevertheless, now Janak instructed the Dasis that may Sita be brought. The Dasis were bringing Sita. And Tulsidas ji says, how is the beauty of Sita? I have got no metaphors and no similes to describe it. So Tulsidas, he curses all these similes and metaphors. Why did you get used in advance? All the Visheshan, I now have got no Visheshan to describe Vaidehi. The Visheshan say, look, we can be used where there is material beauty. But here there is the divine beauty of Vaidehi. We are inappropriate for describing that beauty. So the wedding ceremony was performed officially now after the Varmala. The mantras were recited, they took the circles around the fire. Boliye Shri Sita Ram Ki. And that time Vishwamitra said, we have heard that you have got 3 more princesses. We have got 3 Rajkumars here. The situation is appropriate. We can get them married. So Janak immediately agreed. And 3 more marriages took place. So Bharat was married to Mandvi. Lakshman was married to Urmila. And Shatrughna was married to Shruti.